guys, so we meet again. What's up, y'all? You already know how it goes. Your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know me, my name is Brandon Jones. I help you make an extra income, and that's something I enjoy doing. And we are back with another flipping phone video. I'm eating Starburst. Don't mind me, okay? I ain't eat all day. I've been running around crazy, right? But, yo, we are talking about iPads today. This is a bad idea. Bad. Talking about iPads today, right? Now listen, it tastes so good. It tastes like Chick-fil-A. All right, y'all. So, talking about iPads, and is it worth flipping iPads? Is it worth flipping iPads? Heck yeah! So, iPads are the biggest flip. If you want to flip anything, any type of device, I would recommend flipping iPads over anything else. I just bought this iPad from someone and made $100 profit. That's fine, right? But the thing about iPads, people don't know how much they're worth. I could have, if I wasn't a great buyer, I could have finessed him and paid him $700. This is an iPad 12-inch 5th generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. Now, if let's say my buyer changes his price tomorrow, like I said in the MacBook video, had a MacBook basically lost its value very, very quickly. This won't. This right here won't. It's a 256 gigabyte. If I can get a 1 terabyte one, we almost talking 14. And I'm only gonna pay the person around what, $10.50. So that's me making a huge profit. The reason why I took a low profit with this buyer, with this seller, is because we have a good connection and I don't want to cheat them, right? But if you are starting out flipping iPads, now we talking about new iPads that are sealed. Have to be sealed and not activated. Don't get an iPad that's activated. If it's activated, then we got to change some things. We have to change the price. It has to go down. But if it's sealed with the plastic, has the little tab on it, these are the way to go. Now, let's talk about how you get these. So many ways to get people that are selling these. One of the ways, again, is selling apps. I feel like a lot of things are repetitive in these videos because it's honestly not rocket science. I heard a good quote. The only thing that's rocket science is rocket science. You see what I'm saying? This stuff is easy peasy lemon squeezy. This trumps this every day. Because this, a lot of people don't know the prices of. This, a lot of people do. This, a lot of people have unsealed. You know what I mean? Open. This, a lot of people have sealed. If they have it open, it's used. We gotta go down to 7.6. But the fact that this is sealed, this was a huge buy for me today. And I got a couple more. Meet my buyer tomorrow. It's Saturday, by the way. Meet my buyer tomorrow because I got a busy week ahead of me. And I'm so excited to just see the market pick back up because it's been really, really slow. So I just really wanted to show you guys or tell you guys that iPads are the way to go. These bad boys are good, and it's easy for people to get. People can get these new ones easily, okay? It's just all about making sure that they're real, because I will be exposing in new videos how people are scamming individuals with iPhones, tablets, and not MacBooks, but iPhones and tablets more so. And it's a really big scam for people that are flipping phones, so you gotta be careful. As long as it's sealed, I know I'm good. This is a real seal, real iPad in the box. And this is a huge profit. This is a huge win for me today, y'all. If you haven't already, right, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to follow me on Educated. I I need you to follow me on Instagram at educated__hustler. I need you to follow me there. I need you to go. I need you to click the link in the bio. I need you to hit the link on my chat. Telegram chat. It's the first link. Free Telegram chat. Hit that link. Every Sunday we're doing meetings, and I do understand that you guys are going to be late for this Sunday's meeting. But we're doing meetings every Sunday, and it's like a group and a community of entrepreneurs getting each other ready. You know what I mean? We're a family. We are trying to become successful. And the biggest way to become successful is by building your network. Your net worth is your net worth. So we got to make sure that we're connecting. I want to connect with you. I want to be your partner. I want to be somebody that motivates you when you're down. That's why I sat there and started uploading back on this channel. Because no matter what, if I can help impact someone, I'm happy. You know what I mean? The views, the likes, and all that stuff don't matter as much as it does me making you guys happy, or me motivating somebody that's in a dark place like I was, and helping people find extra incomes. Because guess what? We already know from inflations, from pandemics, from the government, regardless, your job, anybody, letting somebody be able to control all of your income is dangerous. We got to make sure that we are in control of our income at all times, at all moments. So I just wanted to bring this video to you guys, man. Another banger. I love you guys, man. I appreciate you, and I thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I hope that you subscribe, and I hope that I see you on my Instagram. And I hope that you go ahead and download this Telegram app and join me in the chat. And also, I hope that you are someone that is going to stay consistent and comment and be a part of my family, man. We educated hustlers no matter what. Let's get it. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy your week. I'm going to be in Atlanta. So I don't know if I'm going to be recording videos and they're going to be uploading consistently while I'm in Atlanta. So I'm going to make sure that I have some content for you guys to watch that can help you guys learn more things. So I'll make sure I do that before I leave. Of course, I'm going to film in Atlanta, but I'm not sure how the hotel Wi-Fi is going to be and everything. So I'll talk to you guys then. See you guys later. Peace.